We finally got the tank done. It's a replica of the older tank. This is the new tank. And this is the old tank. The customer wanted the right breast to be covered up, so went on ahead and covered it up. But it looks very nice. Same color match, chameleon. Old tank had rusted out from the inside out. You can see the bubbles coming through. So we had to get a new tank. Customer wanted to keep the same design, same color. So that's the old design. And this is the new design. A little bit different, but exactly what the customer ordered. Spray time, delivering quality every time.